Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to record your screen on AYANEO Pocket S2 Pro. In order to begin, you should simply slide down from the top of your screen until you get here and then find record screen. Now you can record your device audio, your microphone, or the device audio and microphone, or record none by disabling it. I'll actually record just the device audio without the microphone, but if you want you can enable it. And show touches on screen, you can also enable that and click on start. It I think starts a countdown from 3, then starts recording. It did a weird sound. I'm not sure what it did with the sound. I think it might have been the start of recording, but or maybe a notification. I don't know. But yeah, basically you can record your screen, and then when you're done, simply slide down, click on stop. Yeah, it's a notification sound. And now you can go to videos, allow, no, sorry, not videos, gallery, I guess, or not? Yeah, gallery, then movies, then play your video with gallery, always, okay? Yeah, and it works, so I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.